Hello guys, welcome back CPA Working Procedure. So today we're going to, for second classes, the select how you can select a perfect offer or niche, and you need to find some keyword for this. Okay, and then let me show about this. Okay, first we go here, offer selection. Before we going through for offer selection, we first logging our the CPA grip and the AdWork Media account. Okay, I log in here. Oh, so much. Okay, as you can see, we log in here. Here is the dashboard, and you can see here total revenue and the status overview. And when you going to below, then you can see here the top performing offer and the recently added offer. Okay, so here have the top performing offer for all country, and here is the recently added offer, as you can see. And when we going to see the full offer, then we can go here, find my offer. Then we can go for all the offers here. For United States, you can see, and you can select here different country also, and all country also you can put. Okay, United States, we going working for it. Then here have you see the get $1,000 to spend on groceries. That means they giving $2,000 gift card for groceries. So we can see the landing page here, offer page here. It's look like that, and here email submit offer, as you can see. When you going, or when I going to working for it, or you going to working for it, then you need to take out this link only. Here is the link. Okay, same here, the Galaxy Samsung S9, Samsung Galaxy S9, and it's look like the landing offer page look like this. Okay, so we can see the offer here, and same AdWork Media, how we can see offer. You can see here no more offer tools. Then how can we find, because the offer they calling the campaign. Okay, we click the campaign, all campaign. Okay, here you can see all the offer. Look, CPA grip, look like $500 voucher, credit score, and the FIFA guide, etc. And you can see the what is the action for this. Same here is the pin submit or confirm pin, and the payout is look like EPC conversion rate. Okay, and same here what is the main point, conversion point, or the action, credit card. As I can say you, at first you need to work for credit card offer, because it's so difficult for you, for beginner. When you going through work better, then only you can find somewhere you can work for the credit card offer. Okay, first I'm going to select a country, because United States got a very good offer. All of the CPA offer, you can see the United States have the all time they have the good offer. Okay, then I can see here the same all the United States offer only, as you can see the flag USA. Okay, so now we understand how we can see offer on CPA grip and the AdWork Media. Okay, now we're going to select, because you can see here so many offer, so many offer in AdWork Media and CPA Grip also. How much you can work? Maybe 2 offer, maybe 3 offer. Because if you gain from 2 or 3 offer, you no need to work for 10 offer, 20 offer like that. Okay. So today I show you the how you select a best offer for all of this. Okay. Then how can we select? Here I put total 3 steps to select a perfect offer: keyword research, YouTube search, and payable action. Okay, what is the keyword research? When you're going to work for an offer, you need to know people this offer keyword people are searching on Google or YouTube or not. Because if they're not searching, that means they are not interested to get this offer, or it's a new offer, people don't know about this. Then how can they search in Google or YouTube? So we need to check the people searching on Google or YouTube or not. That means we can check the keyword research, and here you can find the some perfect keyword for your offer also. And the second, when we coming for YouTube search, what is the YouTube search? YouTube search means when you now the for CPO offer the promotion is the perfect place is YouTube. Because why I choose YouTube? Okay, let me tell you. Because when you going to for a SMM promotion, that means social media promotion, when you going for a paid tools, it's very limited time only. Because when you're going to post in social media, look like Facebook, look like Twitter, look like Google Plus, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 6 or 10 minutes, it's around here. After you cannot find this also, because so many people are posting. Okay, same when you going to for a paid marketing, it's also how much you put money. That time it's in first phase, or people seeing you. When your money is finished, it's finished. But YouTube not look like that. Okay, YouTube is totally different. Because YouTube is so much important than other social media post and search engine. When people put some video anything on their YouTube channel, it's day by day it's going very popular on the YouTube channel. Okay, so now I talk about the payable action. As you can see here, payable action, email submit, CC credit, CC means credit card submit, first page info submit, fin submit, survey download. This is the here is some kind and so many kind of offer on the CPA marketplaces have. But I recommend you first as a beginner, you need to work for email submit, or first page info submit, or download install like that, or survey offer. Don't go don't take the credit card submit or pin submit offer. Because as an example, when you going to download some file on internet, or going to see any video, then people asking for submit email, you no need to think so many things, just submit your email, finish. But when they asking credit card or anything else, credit card, then as a human we don't want to submit the credit card or anything, because maybe it's charged to my account or anything else. That's why if you want to work for credit card submit, people also like this, they also don't want to submit their credit card for any small region. But for email submit they will do anything, they will submit their email very easily. Okay, so now I show you the email submitted offer, how action the email submit, and the first page info submit or survey offer. We going to work for email submit, first page info submit. Okay, so this is the 3 step here. So here's the 3 step: keyword research, YouTube search, and payable action. When I going to put like this offer name, keyword research, YouTube search, and payable action, and offer link? Because if I going to work for it, I need to research all of this, and I put all the result in here. Then only I decide I working for this, I work on this offer or not. Okay, first we take the offer name. When the suppose here is the CPA Grip $1,000 gift card for groceries. Here the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the $1,000 vacation gift card. Okay, we take first Samsung Galaxy S9. Here the offer name is see. Then I put the name. Get the Samsung Galaxy S9 when released. And for keyword research, before I tell you, we working on keyword tool IO. This tool, keyword tool IO. Keyword tool IO. Before you working on keyword tool IO, you need to set up the country and the language also. So here automatically coming the English, United States and English. So you need to checking so much. But if coming any another country, you need to put the offer country and the keyword tool IO country should be same. Okay, now I put the offer name. You see the full offer name is get the Samsung Galaxy S9 when it release. You no need to type full offer name, only the main keyword. What is the main keyword here? What is the offer is the here? Samsung Galaxy S9. You need to know people are interested about Samsung Galaxy S9 or not, because who are interested about Samsung Galaxy S9, you can give him this offer. Okay, give him or her this offer, and they also as a Samsung Galaxy S9, they also interested about this offer also. Okay, so I search here the Samsung Galaxy S9 people for United States people. Wow, 257 unique keyword. People searching about Samsung Galaxy S9 is 257 unique keyword. I tell you the minimum requirement for my method, minimum requirement 100. If below the 100, then you don't take this offer. I tell you if don't take this offer better. After than 100, suppose here is a 257. I can say you this is a good result for keyword research. Okay, I put here Google 257. Okay, so I get the offer. Unique keyword also. Here you can see all the unique keyword people searching about Samsung Galaxy S9. You can take all of this for your keyword also. Next time you need to use some keyword. Okay, that's why you must understand the keyword tool IO working procedure. Okay, our next part. Okay, now we go for YouTube search. As we go direct youtube.com, then what's our offer name, which is the Samsung Galaxy S9. I copy this and directly search on YouTube. As we can see here, the one day before the video is coming, the 8,26,000 view, and here is the 5,90,000. So it's so popular on YouTube. We can say that it's so popular and on YouTube. So we can write here the best. Sorry. Okay, then what's the payable action on it? Payable action, we can see here it's email submit, email or zip submit offer. So we can write here email submit. Okay, so Samsung Galaxy S9, here we can see the result keyword research is the Google 257. The minimum requirement is the 100, so it's a good offer, we can say. And the YouTube search also best, and the payable action also so easy, email submit. Then we can take the offer link. Offer link, it's very easy to take here. Offer link, it's the you need to use on your landing page. Okay, now we check out an AdWords media offer. How we check the AdWords media offer? As here so many offer, we can see the email submitted offer, Batman versus Superman. Okay, we choose the name and here's the offer summary. At first we write down the offer name, Batman versus Superman. Then here you see full name of the offer, After incentive, no. Of approval status, approved. Some of the offer are not approved for you at first. Then here you need to write some text or anything. I will show you the one next time. And now you see this offer approved for you, so you can work for it. And the same conversion point is the payable action, email submit. So we can write the email submit, the payable action, email submit. Okay, then the name we're going to search again on keywordtool.io. okay, write down here Batman versus Superman. Okay, enter. Okay, very good result. You can see here 634 unique keyword. Okay, we're going to put note down here Google. Okay, then now we go direct on YouTube, same as per Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay, here we put the Batman versus Superman and how much interested on it people. We can see here the result 1 year ago 31,72,000 and 22,97,000. So you can see see the result here also. It's also very good result for wow. Okay, very good. First page, second page, until third page also you can see very good result. Wow. So we can write down here the best. Sorry. As per CPA brief offer, we now take the offer link from AdWork Media. AdWork Media offer link is here. Okay, now we will note down here. Okay guys, this is the why you how select the best good offer from CPA Grip or AdWork Media or any marketplace. You need to choose like this way and it's better for you. You no need to search in the social media, just you target on YouTube and it's become a very good result for you. So today the offer selection is here. Okay, see you next.